Hello, Master Manifestors. Welcome to the final segment of Manifestation Mindset, Part 9, Mapping the Matrix. The Oxford definition of matrix is an environment or material in which something develops, a surrounding medium or structure. The following theories are based on concepts of coemergence of consciousness and physical-based reality, as they are both activating experiences at the same time, and we interact with both of them through causality, probability, and potential. So first, we're going to talk about 5 reasons why it matters, and we're going to talk about 5 elements of the nature of the matrix that we live in. Let's get started. Reason 1, leveraging life. When you understand how the material matrix works, you'll know where to focus your efforts to get maximum manifestation results. Recognizing how these systems work can relieve anxiety about your desires and intentions. Reason 2, rendered reality. Particles are packets of potential without a definite state until another system interacts with them. Our systems only notice what's important, so you have limited information. Knowing that lets you direct your attention. Reason 3, balancing behavior. Knowing the mechanics of the matrix helps you recognize and stabilize your system's patterns. Your identity, your predictive system. You recognize that pain and failure don't mean you messed up, it's just feedback from systems interacting with each other and programs that are running automatically. Reason 4, relaxing reactivity. Obsessing over outcomes creates resistance and over-attachment. The tension comes from holding 2 states at the same time. It's cognitive dissonance. Effort wastes energy and creates friction, creates too much noise. Awareness activates alignment and creates relief. Reason 5, amplifying attention. The reality matrix is amplified by attention and repetition, but it decays with a lack of observation or interaction. Awareness and acceptance of what you see allow you to access more possibilities and opportunities, and you get more of whatever it is that you focus on. Now let's talk about the aspects of the matrix. These are the matrix mechanisms. Matrix aspect 1, data dynamics. The matrix is an intricate data processor that routes energy through system engagement. Reality is continuously updating and stabilizing information in packets of potential. So they're like little pockets, like cells in a body or bubbles. Selection of whatever physical state is solidified through the attention and repetition, through your notice. Matrix aspect 2, object operations. Objects aren't created from scratch when you manifest them. They're collected energy and patterns in a compressed form. They render as the result of conditions of probability and alignment and become a solid, stable configuration of energy. Matrix aspect 3, patterned packets. The matrix is a field of probabilities collapsing into experiences. Different packets activate and interact like neurons in a brain. There are overlapping states. There are emergent properties like memories, emotions, and narratives. Matrix aspect 4, entropy and expansion. Entropy is the inevitable decay into disorder of any system that isn't maintained or interacted with. Attention and interaction are the keys to stabilizing the experiences that you want. Expansion, ascension, comes from being able to accept more reality into your program. Matrix aspect 5, rendering restrictions. All systems have constraints that define them and provide context. Stories need balance. Reality has subatomic limits using the Planck scale. It's not endless. The physical world has limits. It has size limits. It has rendering limits. The matrix can only stabilize so much data or energy in a packet of experience, and likewise, your brain can only process so much of reality and so much story, so you need to be very selective about which stories you choose. Thank you for listening. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of matrix mechanisms and given you a map for manifesting your desires. Please like, subscribe, and sign up for the MethodMuse newsletter in the description below.